Is your crawl space causing problems for your home? Green Home Solutions has the answer with our professional crawl space encapsulation service. By sealing your crawl space with a tough vapor barrier, we're able to block out moisture, mold, and pests, creating a cleaner and healthier environment. This leads to significantly improved indoor air quality, ensuring that your family breathes fresher, cleaner air every day. Our professional team installs a high-quality barrier on all surfaces, transforming your crawl space into a dry, protected area. No more musty smells, dampness, or unwanted critters. Enjoy better indoor air quality, lower energy bills, and increase the value of your home with crawl space encapsulation. Plus, you'll reduce the risk of structural damage caused by moisture buildup and enhance the longevity of your home's foundation. By choosing crawl space encapsulation with Green Home Solutions, you're making a smart investment in your home, your family's well-being, and your peace of mind. Commit to a healthier living space today. Reach out to us today for a free consultation and take the first step towards a healthier home.